Assalamualaikum students and welcome back to our English class, and I am your teacher Miss Maria. So students,
We are going to do lesson number 5 of your grammar book, that is prepositions. So open your page number 24 of your grammar book. Mention date on your page. Today is 21/7/2020 and day is Tuesday. So we are going to look in this lesson that what are the prepositions, and then we are going to use them in the blanks. Okay. Now this is the definition of the preposition. A preposition is a word that shows the link between a noun or pronoun and the other words in a sentence. Why they wrote it like this, that slash between noun and the pronoun? Because we use noun और a pronoun in a sentence. ठीक है, या तो हम noun यूज़ करते हैं या हम pronoun यूज़ करते हैं. हम दोनों एक साथ यूज़ नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि प्रोनाउन जो है वो नाउन की जगह पे यूज़ करते हैं हम. वाई वी यूज़ प्रोनाउन ऑन द प्लेस ऑफ अ नाउन? वी यूज़ प्रोनाउन इंस्टेड ऑफ द नाउन, नॉट टू रिपीट नाउन अगेन एंड अगेन. ठीक है. सो व्हाट preposition do? It creates a link of these two things with the other words of the sentence. Then we have a preposition can be used to show when, where or how something happens. यानी कोई काम, कोई बात वो कब हुई, कहाँ हुई, कैसे हुई. ठीक है. when, where or how something happens. Then it is sometimes also used to show who does something. what it shows कि ये काम, ये कोई भी काम किसने किया. ठीक है. इट शोज व्हेन, वेयर, हाउ एंड हु डज समथिंग. ठीक है. लुक एट द एग्जांपल्स. द कैट केम इन थ्रू द विंडो. what it is showing us that she came through the window. ये काम उसने कैसे किया है? through the window. then a fly is buzzing above Gloria's head. ये now it is telling us that where. ठीक है. and this was telling us how something happens. ठीक है. we have been living in this house since 2005. ठीक है. ये उन्होंने बताया कि कब से they are living in this house. then the puppet show will start at 4 p.m. and when. ठीक है. then now we have exercise A. choose suitable prepositions from the box to fill in the blanks. ठीक है. now they have given us few of the prepositions. we must have to use them in the blanks. So prepositions are in, across, on, above, towards, from, since, for, behind, by, before, to, through, between, near, under, at. The last I went on vacations was dash 2008. when you will look all these, ठीक है, you can find this inappropriate for this blank. ठीक है. then okay, write it down in the blank. then number 2, the new bakery is situated between the laundry and the office. then number 3, we meet every day to play basketball in the ground behind the school. BEHIND, behind. And number 4, the storm is headed towards the coastal areas. then number 5, mom got this new bike for me. number 6, the museum was closed for renovations from October to February. number 7, I have kept the books on your desk. number 8, let's walk across the street to the video arcade. number 9, the burglar came in through the back window. number 10, Karen wants to hang painting above the sofa. then Jerry has opened a tailoring shop near our house. number 12, everyone is going to visit grandma at the school. number 13, it has been raining today since morning. number 14, our class is going to planetarium on Monday. number 15, my dog likes to sit by the window and watch cars go by. Number 16, my cousin will not return from Lahore before Eid. Number 17, Mark is resting under the tree. So these were the prepositions, ठीक है, and we have used them in the blanks. I am going to hold the camera, ठीक है. If you haven't wrote them, now pause the video and write them in the correct boxes. And don't forget to write it on your books, because I am noticing that so many students are not doing their work on the books. Okay students, now move to the next exercise, exercise B. Identify prepositions in the following sentences and mark what they are expressing. Now they have given us this table and few of the sentences, ठीक है. अब वो क्या कह रहे हैं, you have to underline the preposition in the sentences and then tell us that where, when and who does this action, ठीक है. Okay, number 1 is the desert is in the fridge. The dessert is in the fridge. Acha, what is the preposition in it? This in is the preposition, so underline it. And then what it is telling, that where is something, ठीक है. So just tick this box, ठीक है. The dessert is in the fridge. It is telling us where the dessert is, ठीक है. So the dessert is in the fridge. Number 2, we will meet the lawyer on Wednesday. So what on is the preposition and what it is telling us, that when we will meet the lawyer. So just put the tick in this box. Number 3, Kathy and Midge will be joining us at the theater. At is the preposition and it is telling us where they are going to meet, ठीक है. So underline, just mark the tick in where's box, ठीक है. Number 4, they are going to Uncle John's cabin today. They are going to, ठीक है. It will tell us to whom they are going to meet. This great article has been written by Tony White. So what this preposition by is telling us, that who wrote this article. So who wrote this article, ठीक है. So ये इसमें इस box में आप टिक लगा दें, ठीक है. Number 6, the students ran recklessly through the corridor. Through is telling us that from where they are going, like this, ठीक है. Then number 7, Jim and I have bought this shirt for you. For, ठीक है, telling us for who, that हमने किसी के लिए buy की है, तो who he is or she is, ठीक है. Number 8, the woodcutter lives across the lake. Across, ठीक है, where. I will start dieting from Tuesday. From, telling us that when this action will be going to be happen, ठीक है. Number 10, a helicopter is hovering above the building. Underline this above because this is a preposition and it is telling us where this helicopter is hovering. So it is hovering above the building, so underline, just put a tick in this box. Then the kittens are hiding under our bed, so underline the under and put the tick mark in the box of where. Then number 12, Gina has dropped the papers behind the sofa. It is also telling us that where she dropped her papers. So she dropped her papers behind the sofa and it is telling us that where she dropped them, ठीक है. So underline the word behind and then put a tick in the where's box. Then number 13, I didn't know how to swim before I met Bob, ठीक है. It is telling us when. And the butcher has been selling meat since 1988. It is also telling us when, ठीक है. Then Jill likes to sit between her parents on the airplane, ठीक है. So it is telling us in this sentence on is the preposition and it is telling us where he wants to sit, ठीक है. और अगर हम between को underline करते हैं, so it is telling us that how he wants to sit, but we are this between is not acting as a preposition here, ठीक है. Number 16, the rigging bull is headed towards the market. Where he is heading? So he is heading towards the market. Just tick in the where's box. Then number 17, Peter lives near the station and near, ठीक है. So it is telling us that where Peter lives, so just put the tick mark in this where's blank, ठीक है, box. Okay students, now I am going to hold this camera and just look at these texts and the words which are underlined, and you must have to do this work on your books. Don't forget to write the date. I will meet you in the next lecture. Till that, stay safe, stay at your homes. Allah Hafiz students.